Hello, welcome to Crypto Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create account on Nexo Wallet. If you create your account and deposit $100 worth of crypto, you will get $25 worth of Bitcoin. So let's not miss this opportunity and get into this. Once you click on the link in the description, you will be directed to your web browser. Click on Get $25 in BTC, type your email, set a password, agree to the terms and click on Create Account. Solve the puzzle. You will be directed to your email verification page and you will receive an email. Now go to your Gmail account, click on Verify Email and your email is verified. Now click on Continue to your Nexo account. You will be asked to download Nexo app. You can download it on App Store or Google Play Store. Just click on it and you will be taken to your App Store. As I already have downloaded it, so I'll just open it. Once you have downloaded your app, log in with the same email and password that you just created your account with. Solve the puzzle and you will be logged in to your account. When you log in, you will be asked to set up a PIN. Set a PIN that is easy for you to remember. After you set a PIN, click on the icon in the left top corner. You can see my email is verified. And now I have to verify my personal info and identity. So for verifying personal information, click on Start Verification. Type your first name, your last name, continue, type your address, then zip code, city, and finally your country name. Click on Continue and you will be transferred to Employment Details page. Select the nature of your business. As I am a student, so I'll go for student. Then choose your employee status, source of funds, and finally source of crypto. Once you click on Continue, you will be taken to phone number verification page. Type your country code and your phone number. You will receive a code on your mobile device. Copy that code and paste it here. Click on Confirm. You can see my phone number is verified. Click OK and Submit. We are done with personal info verification and now we have to do identity verification. For that, click on Continue Verification. You'll be asked for your ID card. Just take picture of the front of your ID card and then back of the ID card. You can also submit passport pictures or your driving license. Because of security issues, I couldn't record this part as the app didn't allow it. The next step in identity verification is to provide your proof of address. You need to upload a document that contains your first and last name, your address, issuing authority details and logo, and issue date within the last 90 days. Choose the type of document, take its picture and upload. As I have my document in PDF form, so I'll submit it via website. You can also upload your credit card statement, console bill, tax return statement, or you can also upload utility bill. If you're having a physical document, you can just simply take photo and upload it. No need to go to website. Make sure that you upload the whole document. It is readable and written in Latin alphabet. Once you are done with all this, you will see this interface which says verification has been submitted, and it may take up to 24 hours. You can also check it if you go to your profile. Your identity verification will be on pending. It usually takes a few minutes or in rare cases up to one business day.